Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Miss Jessie from the Central Library of the Buffalo and Erie County Public Library coming to you again with another STEM challenge for Saturday. So today we're going to play with water. So in order to make today's activities, you're going to need 2 paper plates. I do have some foam ones that might work a little better, but if you just have the paper plates, that would work as well. 6 little bathroom cups, some duct tape, some cardboard, or I do have a empty egg carton here. That's for the first project. The second project is going to need a couple pencils and some rubber bands and a small little container like this, or if you have like a yogurt cup that you could cut the top off of, or another small shallow plastic container, that's going to work as well. Probably also going to need some scissors for all of this. Okay, so first we're going to make a water wheel. So let me show you mine here. So water wheel. All right, so to make that, we're going to take our 2 paper plates and we're going to take a pencil. And we're going to poke a hole right through the center of them, both pieces of both plates at the same time. Okay, done. 2 plates. All right, now we're going to actually have to put the wheels on that plate, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so to tape the cups on the plate, we're going to turn it upside down like this, and we're going to take our duct tape. I can find the end. And we're going to cut ourselves some pieces, and we're going to just tape all of the cups equidistantly, so equal distance from each other around this plate. I'm going to make a couple pieces for myself here. So I'm just going to take my cup, and I'm going to tape it here like this. And I'm going to take the second cup, and I'm going to tape it right across like this. Take this cup, and now these 2 kind of have to go at an angle like this. Like this. See? I'll tape these 2 together, and then I'll tape them down. Okay. 2 more. Turn it around so you can see what I'm doing here. So here and here. Again, tape them together. Oops. Like that. And then tape them down. Like that. So now you can see they're all attached. From the side they look like this. Right? Okay, now we need to attach the top plate to the bottom plate. The easiest way to do that is to make yourself a bunch of little pieces of tape like this. And to put them in each cup like this. So they're sticking up and out. And then we're going to just tape the plate on top. If you don't have any masking tape, if you have some electrical tape or some plumbing tape around the house, ask Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, whatever adults are around. They probably have some tape that would work. Like this. And like this. And now I'm going to take this plate, put it on top like a sandwich. You can put your pencil back through so that you know where center is. That might help. And then I'm just going to tape these to the top plate. Like that. Okay. Now we have a water wheel. I'm going to put this one to the side and we're going to build our boat now, okay? So, with that one, we're going to actually see how the speed of water will affect how fast that water wheel moves. So for the second one, we need some rubber bands, some pencils, and a little container. I actually made one already. Let me grab it out of my sink. And this is the one I used, I used the bottom of a yogurt cup here. But you can also use a little container you might have in your kitchen. Okay, so you need 3 rubber bands. You're going to put the first one around the center of your container. You're going to slip your pencils through. So there's one on each side of your container. Like that. Okay. You're going to put a rubber band around the top and the bottom of each pencil. Like that. And we're just going to even them out so that they look like that. Now we need to make the rudders. We need to make what's going to actually be able to make this boat move through water. So for that, I was just going to use this empty styrofoam egg cart. If you have some heavy cardboard in your recycling bin right now, that would work great. If you have some lighter cardboard, like what the cups came in, like this, you could actually just use your duct tape and cover it and actually make it waterproof. That would work as well. So I'm just going to take the top of this carton, and I'm going to make the rudders. So you could do that in a couple ways. You could actually make little triangles, you could make little rectangles, you could try circles, try different shapes and see how they work. Today I am going to make some shapes. So let's see. Let me get this in the way I can make it. So I'm going to just make some squares for right now, but you can try different shapes and see what happens. So what you need is 4 shapes that are about the same size. I'm just cutting here. So I have 2 rectangles right now, right? 2. I'm just going to cut them both in half. So now I have 4, right? I have 4 rectangles I can use. Now you need to make a slit in those rectangles that goes about halfway up. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut right here. Not all the way through, but just halfway up. So now there's a little slit, see, like this. I need to make the same one, because then I need to be able to put these together like this. And those go into these rubber bands here, and that's how the boat's going to move. So there's 2 here. The one I already made has them at the back and the front of the boat. And I'm going to turn the water on, slow it first, and let's see if we can make this water wheel move. See how it's moving? Slowly. I'm not turning it, the water's making it turn. If we turn up the speed of the water, it's going to turn faster. So play around with your water. See how fast you can make your water wheel move. Now that our sink is full, we're also going to try our boats. So here's the boat we just made. And let's see what we can do. Okay, so now in order to make your boat move, you're going to take one of your rudders and you're going to spin it on the rubber band here. And then let it go. Depending on what direction you spin your rudder will depend on what direction your boat moves. See if you can guess which way it's going to move. If you spin both rudders in the same direction, you might move even faster. If you spin both rudders in opposite directions, your boat won't move at all. Have some fun with water.